Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer bonus amount to main account in 1xBet. This is really simple. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. All you're gonna do is here on 1xBet. First of all, you have to check your bonus amount and to see if you have sufficient funds in your bonus amount. I have 665 bonus points here at the top left, as you can see. So next, what you're gonna do to convert it directly is just to head directly on the game on 1xGame. So you're just going to click on 1xGame and choose absolutely any game here on 1xGame. Here you're just going to scroll down until the section where you see Apple of Fortune. So you're just going to click on Apple of Fortune. Next, you place a bet directly with your bonus account amount, with any amount from it. So for here we are just going to place 200 points, and next we are going to click on play and have a play of Apple of Fortune. Here, as you can see, I've had a play which is not winning, but I can just click on play again to play. Now I'm just going to click on anything here, and here as you can see I've won, so I will take the winnings. And here I'm just going to head back, and all you have to know is that the money that you're going to win by playing using your bonus amount on 1xGame is directly going to be sent to your main account. So you're just going to play with your bonus amount, so the money that you earn from your bonus amount parties are directly going to be transferred to your main account, and it's as simple as that.